Hey guys, in today's video I want to show you about the issues with the iPhones that are restarting every 3 minutes. So as you can see, I'm going inside the settings, analytics data, and right here if you see panic full, that's not a good thing. Inside this panic full, in the logs you will find missing sensor, which says over there, this section. Missing sensor, that's it. TG0B, TG0V, that means charging port. In some cases you can see mic 1, mic 2, mic 3 or anything else. Well, every single issue which this log show you, it's a different failure which you have to solve in order to prevent the restarting. So this TG08 and TG0V, if it's TG0B, doesn't matter, it's just the charging port. So if we replace this charging port with a new one, the device will be fully working, except if there is something prior the charging port connector, which is very rare, but on some occasions it might happen. So keep that on your mind, yeah? Mic 1 is charging port, mic 2 it's power button flex, and mic 3 it's the top earpiece peak, which is very rare. Now you can see here we have the thermal monitor D failure, which means the phone cannot perform some checks. And what they tell you, you have two missing sensors, TG0B, TG0V, no successful check-ins since 79 seconds ago. So when you have this, normally it's a failure with the charging port, but I'm saying always but, you know, these boards are sandwich boards and sometimes they might give issues as well. The tools you need to replace the charging port, using this universal blade to open the device, you need some tweezers and you need two screwdrivers. So if you have any questions, you can always put them down into the comments. I'm always replying, guys. If you need help and assistance, you can further check my TikTok account, where I'm constantly having chats with people experiencing issues. I'm giving advices there, and many people have managed to solve out their issues. As I say, settings, privacy and security, analytics data, and right here you will find if you have any issues. If your phone ever restarted once, you will see it there in these logs. Thanks for watching, guys. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.